Welcome to ScoreAide. This is ATI TEAS Math. This is video 1 in the Start Year ATI TEAS Math playlist. If you are preparing for the ATI TEAS exam, start with this video and follow the playlist in order. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to convert fractions to decimal. This is a very common skill on the ATI TEAS exam. There is no need to memorize. Now, a quick tip. When we talk about converting fractions to decimal, we are simply saying divide the numerator by the denominator. So you have to divide the top number by the bottom number. So we have the numerator, the top number over the bottom number. Now, let's look at an example. If they say convert 3/4 to decimal. Now, you can pause and try to solve this problem. You can pause here and try to solve this problem. I would like to do it using the old school method, but it is really easy. I would like to do it using the old school method. So, this is just going to be equal to, we have 4, we have 3 divided by 4 right over there. So you see that 3 cannot divide 4, so we just have to put a decimal point and put a 0 and add a 0 over here. So you see that 30 divided by 4 give us, 7. That would be like kind of like parameter 2, right? And 7 times 4 is going to be what? It's going to be 28. So if we subtract this, you're going to have 2, right? And you see that 2 cannot still divide 4 without leaving a remainder. So what we're going to do is add another 0 and a 0 down here. And 20 divided by 4 is going to give us 5, right? So 5 times 4 is giving us 20. And if we subtract this, you see that there is no remainder left here. So this means that 3 divided by 4 is actually equal to 0.75. Very easy. Now let's look at another example. Let's look at 3 divided by 8, right? This will be equal to what? Again, you can pause and solve this real quick. This will be equal to, so we have 3 over there. So 3 cannot divide 8. Again, we put 0, put decimal point over there. And 30 divided by 8 is going to give us 3, right? That is 24. 3 times 8 is 24. So we subtract that. And this is going to give us 6. 6 again cannot divide 8 without leaving a remainder. So we're just going to add another 0 there. So 60 divided by 8 is going to give us, that is 56. 56 divided by 8 is 7. So 7 times 8 is 56. So we subtract that. We're going to have 4 over here. So 4 cannot divide 8. So we have to add another 0 there and a 0 down here. 40 divided by 8 gives us 5. 5 times 8 is 40. So we don't have a remainder anymore. So you see that there is no remainder here. And 3 divided by 8 is exactly equal to 0.375. Okay. Now let's look at, try to solve this problem. Pause and try to solve this fraction. Convert 1/8 to decimal. Convert 1/8 to decimal. Pause and try to solve that. Okay. If your answer is 0.125, then you are correct. Let's see how we solve that. So we have 8 over here and 1 here. So 1 cannot definitely divide 8. So we put a decimal point, a 0 here. 10 divided by 8, we have 1 there, which is 8 in 10. So 1 times 8 is definitely 8. So we subtract that, we have 2. 2 cannot divide 8. We put so we are gonna have 2 decimal points there, and we'll put a 0 over there. 20 divided by 8 is gonna give us 2. That is 16. So we do multiply 2 times 8, give us 16. So when we subtract this, it's gonna give us 4, right? 4 cannot divide 8, so we will have the third decimal place, which will give us, so 40 over here. 40 divided by 8, it's gonna give us 5. And 5 times 8 is gonna give us 40. So you see that there will be no remainder here. And 1 over 8 is equal to 0.125. Easy. You can stop here and go to the next video of the course, which you will learn how to change decimals into percentages. Thank you.